Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer projects from Airtable to Monday.com. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer projects from Airtable to Monday.com, start by logging into your Airtable account. Locate the base that contains the projects you want to transfer. Select the specific table within the base that holds your project data. Now, click on the View options at the top left corner of the table. Choose the grid view if you are not already in that mode. Next, export the table by clicking on the download icon. Select CSV as the export format. Once the download is complete, open Monday.com in your browser. Log into your Monday.com account. Navigate to the workspace where you want to import your projects. Click on that Add button to create a new board. Choose Import Data from the drop-down menu. Select CSV as the import method. Upload the CSV file you just downloaded from Airtable. Follow the on-screen prompts to map the columns in your CSV to the corresponding fields in Monday.com. Double-check the mapping to ensure all information aligns correctly. Click the Import button to complete the process. Review your new board in Monday.com to confirm that all projects have been transferred successfully. Make any necessary adjustments or customizations to fit your workflow. You have now successfully transferred your projects from Airtable to Monday.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.